So let's go ahead and do our check here. We've already verified earlier in our notes that this is a triangle. Let's see what happens when I do 5 squared plus 6 squared. Those are the two small sides, and therefore 10 must be C. Now let's compare that to 10 squared, and the question is, what's the relationship between them? So I get 25 plus 36, I'm comparing that to 100. Let's see, 25 and 36 puts me at 61. 100 is at 100. And that would be a greater than, right? So since C squared is greater than A squared plus B squared, what kind of triangle have I got? It's obtuse. Sure. Since 61 is less than 100, A squared plus B squared is less than C squared, we call it obtuse. Or, if you like to reverse your writing, since 100 is greater than 61, you think greater than equals obtuse. It's an obtuse. Let's change it up a little bit and check what kind is 3, 5, 4. And again, I'll give you as a freebie that that is a triangle. What order are my A's and my B's in this one? Yeah. Be real careful, because if the numbers are out of sequence. Yeah, C has to be the longest of the three sides. If you don't do that, then these rules don't work. So let's check and see here. If I do A squared plus B squared, that's 3 squared plus 4 squared. Compare that to C squared. 9, 16, 25. 9 plus 16 is 25. So they equal each other. So what kind of triangle? It's a right triangle. Yeah. You know, we recognize the 3, 4, 5 as a real popular right triangle. You see it a lot when teachers are making up their own problems from scratch because they always don't work out. Numbers are nice and neat and pretty. But does that work for all triples? All sequential numbers? Like if I take the numbers 5, 6, and 7, what kind of triangle does that make? Does that make a right triangle? Let's see. I know that 5 and 6 are my A and B, because they're the smaller of the two. I know it makes a triangle, because if I do 5 plus 6, I get 11, which is greater than 7. And I only ever need to check my two smalls against my big. I know 6 plus 7 will be greater than 5. In fact, each of the numbers is already greater than 5. So now we check our A squared, B squared, and C squared. 5 squared plus 6 squared compared to 7 squared. So 25 plus 36. How does that compare to 49? Let's see, 61 is greater than 49, so since C squared is less, it's acute.